In healthcare, the International Classification of Diseases codes, also known as ICD, have become essential to medical documentation and diagnosis. The World Health Organization develops and maintains these standardized codes, which are the foundation for categorizing diseases, injuries, and other health conditions. Its 10th and most recent edition is known as ICD-10. ADHD is a common neurodevelopmental disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It must be correctly diagnosed and treated to improve outcomes and quality of life for those with it. To help with this, healthcare professionals classify and report ADHD cases using the ICD-10 Clinical Modification Classification System. Fortunately, ADHD has its own unique ICD-10 CM code, F90.9, which is a massive relief for doctors and patients alike. F90.9 is a diagnosis code used to identify people diagnosed with ADHD. F90.9 can be used to identify people with any subtype of ADHD, including those who are predominantly inattentive, predominantly hyperactive impulsive, and the combined type. Overall, the ICD-10 CM code, F90.9, is an essential tool for correctly classifying and reporting ADHD cases. Understanding the code and how it is applied can assist healthcare professionals in providing better care to those experiencing this common disorder. To learn more, check out our article on our Carepatron website. You can find the link in the description. If you are new here, give us a like or subscribe to our channel for more information like this.